Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the HC05 and wiring serial pins correctly. That's the immediate first step. Connect TX to the MCU RX and RX to the MCU TX and supply the correct voltage so the board won't be damaged. Once done, put the module into pairing or at mode as required by your workflow. You do this by holding the KEY/ button while applying power. Make sure the LED behavior matches pairing mode, so you know the device is ready to accept connections. Now you configure serial communication and perform pairing. Connect the HC05 to a USB serial adapter or your microcontroller, set the serial monitor to the module's baud rate, and ensure NL and CR are set if you send at commands. If using at commands, query the name and baud to confirm, otherwise simply search for the device from your phone or PC. Once found, enter the default PIN to pair, and verify the LED slows or changes pattern to indicate a successful link. Finish by selecting the correct COM port and baud rate in your app, then test communication by sending a simple string and observing a response. That confirms end-to-end operation. Make sure the LED indicates a persistent connection and verify your microcontroller's serial pins aren't held by another device. If things go wrong, recheck wiring, confirm voltage levels, try the default PINs, and use at commands to reset or restore factory settings. This single troubleshooting step fixes most pairing or baud mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.